Hello friends, in this video we see how to construct a difference table. Friends, we know that the first finite differences are the differences of the argument, the difference of the two consecutive values of entry. Now here I have on your screen, you can see I have written some values of the x, that is argument, where the difference h is 0.1, the and values of the function f of x equal to 1 by x. Then here we calculate the values of delta f of x. Delta f of x is nothing but the value of difference of these two values, 0.33258 minus 0.33333. So let us first subtract these two values. So what is the first value here? 0.33333, 5 times minus 0.3258. Then here you can see that we get 0.01075. So let us write this value first, 0.01075. so we get the first value here, 0 point minus 0.01075. So this is the difference of these two values. Then next difference of these two values, from this we have to subtract this one. So let us first calculate this difference, and we need a calculator, non-programmable calculator, to calculate this value. So difference of these two, that is let me clear this first. Clearing all this, 0.31250 minus 0.32258, and difference of these two equal to here minus 0.01008. We write this difference here, 0. Here we can see that the difference of these two values is minus 0.01008. Now the next difference is 30303 minus 0.31250. So let us write this difference here. First we clear this, 0 point next value is 30303, and minus we are subtracting 0.31250, and it will be, you can see, minus 0.00 here, 0.00947, 0.0090 here we get minus 0.00947, 947, right, 0.00947. let me write this, 47. And again the difference of these two also, you can see that it will be minus. So let us calculate this here, clearing all this. Difference of these two, that is 0.29412 minus 0.30303, and it is 0.00891. This is 0.00891. and we get this difference. Okay, so differences of first differences are called as a second differences. We denote it by delta square f of x. That means we have to calculate difference of these two values. Okay, so let us calculate the difference of these two values. 0.01008 minus 0.011075. Okay, uh, opening this calculator, check cut minus this one. Let us select this and let us equate this. Okay, so we get minus 0.0. Okay, I think it is not clear. What is a minus 0.01008 minus of minus, that is plus 0.01075. okay, and we get plus 0 point this value 0.0067. This is the first difference, 0.00067 plus value. Now difference of these two values, this one and this one, let us calculate this. These are the second differences, and you can see that we get 0 point minus 0.00947 plus 1 plus 0.01008, and this will gives us 0.0061. 0 point, that is a plus value, 0.00061. Now difference of these two, let us calculate difference of these two values. It is very simple, and whenever you have a calculator you can easily calculate these values, and for that you always need a calculator. Okay, so remember these things: 0.00891 plus minus plus, so 0.00947, and this is equal to 0.0056. we get this second difference, 0.00056. so we have these values, and we can calculate the third differences. Third differences mean differences of this second differences. So differences of the second differences, difference of these two, and whenever we calculate, so we get here, let us calculate this so that your idea will be clear. 0.00061 minus 0.00067, and it will be minus 0.00, 4 times 0 and 6. Let us write this value here, minus 0.00006, and difference of these two, again it will be minus 0. Let us calculate that here, 0.00056 minus 0.00061, and it will be 0.5, right? Minus 0.0005, 0.00005, and we have two values in the third differences. So let us calculate the fourth difference of this. That is, we have differences of the third differences, and here it will be plus 0 point. Here you can see that we get here 0.0001, it will be plus. Now here this term, this is a value of f of a. This value of f of a is called as a leading term. It is called as, always known as a leading term. And the first differences, this is a delta f of a, delta f of a, this is a delta square f of a, and this is delta cube f of a, delta cube f of a, and this one is delta raised to 4 f of a. So these are called as a leading differences. These are called as leading differences. So friend, in this manner we can construct a difference table, and we can write all these values of the differences, finite differences, first, second, third differences in the difference table. Thank you friends, thank you for watching videos.